Today's video is a special video. Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome. I'm glad you're able to join me. I hope you're doing well. My name is Mike, and I'm a Transport Canada Certified Advanced Drone Pilot, Level 2 Thermographer, Optical Gas Imaging Technician, and a photographer. So this video was not Plan A. I did head out around the province to shoot some more small town Alberta aerial footage. I arrived in a small town, and like usual, I found the town office and headed in to talk with the CAO. They asked me very kindly not to fly due to privacy concerns. Now, I did record a video recently talking all about that, and I will link it up there and in the description if you want to check it out. Anyway, the CAO wanted to speak with the village council so that if the residents started calling them because there was a drone flying over the village, they would at least be in the loop and be able to deflect some of the concerns, which I understand. Now, no, I'm not going to name the town or the CAO. Just know that one of the future small town Alberta videos will be from that town. It's become kind of personal, and I'm determined to fly that town just because. So then I had to pivot super quick to try and get a video out for you guys, and came up with Plan B. I woke up the next morning and checked the forecast to make sure I could fly. There was a warning of freezing rain in the area I wanted to fly, and since I'm not legally allowed to have de-icing equipment on my drones, I was not able to fly there either. On to Plan C. My social media manager asked me to make a commercial for our local Facebook groups to let people know that I'm still around and what I can do and available for hire. I'm going to include that commercial in this video so you guys can see it. Let me know what you think in the comments. You're going to see this commercial on certain Facebook groups, presuming, of course, that you're active on Facebook and in one of the groups it's going to be posted to. Hopefully you got some useful information or at least a little bit of entertainment from this video. If you would like more information about what I can do, feel free to contact me in whichever manner you are the most comfortable. If you don't mind, on your way out of the video, if you could hit one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed up, but either works. Leave a comment if you would like more information on anything I mentioned in this video, except for the town name. And if I provided you with some value, please consider subscribing. You can also follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be in the description below. So until next time, bye-bye.